Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my dry chickpea masala recipe. One of my prep meal recipes and my absolute favorite. Sometimes you just need an easy no-brainer plan to follow. For this recipe, you need to soak the chickpeas overnight. Roasting spices is a very important step in this recipe. You can obviously use powdered spices, but roasting spices changes the flavor. Spices are roasted to create a greater depth of flavor. Make sure to cool the spices completely before grinding them. I absolutely love how versatile this recipe is. You can change and improvise it however you like. Play with the spices and herbs. The result is always delicious and you get all your nutrients at the same time. Add some mustard seeds in hot oil and cook until it starts to splutter. It really helps to activate the flavors. Add in some curry leaves and some vegetables. Add in some salt, mix. Now add in the chickpeas. You can also use canned chickpeas. Add in the roasted spice mix and mix until the chickpeas are well coated. I highly recommend you to use fresh coconut in this recipe. If you don't have it, use desiccated coconut. Add some tamarind water for tanginess and some sugar or jaggery for sweetness. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, do share it in the comment section below. Bye!